I was doing a wick test for this candle vessel, and I wanted to show you something very peculiar that I've come across that I've not necessarily seen previously, is that the different wick sizes, so I've got a 6.5, this one is a 7.5, and this one is a 7. If you can see from the 7, there's a lot more wax buildup along the side of the vessel. You would expect less from the 7.5, but what's really surprising is the one that's burned the most is the 6.5, which is technically supposed to be a smaller wick than the 7. So in theory, this is supposed to have more wax buildup on the side of the candle than this one does, but it isn't the case. So what could be going on here? It could be that this wick is misplaced, like it is saying it's the wrong wick for the size of the bag. So you always got to take into account there could be error, but I'm not sure about this one, if this one's actually in error or not. So basically the only way to test this, again, to see if this is accurate or not, is to go back and remake this vessel again using the 6.5, the 7.5, and the 7.0, and to see if you get the same results. And I know this is really fiddly, but this is part of the science of candle making, is to figure out which is the best one to use, which wick size to use. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to light these again. These had burned for 5 hours, so I had poured the wax up until this line right here. And now I did a wick burn test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light these up again, let them burn for another 4 or 5 hours, something like that, and see what the results is. See if we've still got this wax buildup on the side of the 7.0 or if it's corrected itself. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me know what content you enjoy watching and what is helpful to you. And please leave any questions down below in the comments box and I will absolutely answer it for you. I've made a whole playlist of wick testing and different tips and things like that when you are wick testing. It's a new playlist I've got out, so check that out here. Happy candle making. I'll see you soon.